wow, the trade war is happening. Wow, it's going to be a crash next year. Oh my god, what should I do, man? So you probably have received news on the market going to crash soon, or there's going to be a financial crisis coming soon. So what should you do to prepare yourself for a financial crisis if it really happens? Now, the very first thing you can consider doing is to take your profits, cash out the money from your investments and hold on to cash, so that you have some bullets for you to fire when the market really drops. If you're already invested in stocks or funds or your own investments, you can consider selling a little bit of them so that you can take profit to launch an attack when the market is down. You can consider selling some of your investments out, like your stocks or mutual funds if you are currently invested, so that you can take out the profits and hold on to some cash. Another way to build up some cash reserves is to save yourself, especially if you are not invested yet. For myself, even though I have some money in stocks, some funds, and some other forms of investments, I still try and build up cash while holding on to my investments. By building up cash reserves, you'll have more money for you to buy more stocks when they are on a discount when the market crashes. Number 2 is to do your research beforehand. Have a list of stocks before the market crashes. That way you won't waste time researching and you can immediately invest your money when the market is down. Besides the list of stocks that you have, you may want to consider calculating the intrinsic value of the stock, which is the target price of the stock that you are willing to buy at. So what I also do is I split my cash reserves into 3 different portions for each stock. So let's say this particular stock, the target price I've calculated is maybe $15. So let's say when the stock goes down to $15, I'll use 1/3 of the money, one segment of the cash reserve, to invest in that stock at $15. And when the stock goes even lower, I use another portion, another 1/3 of the cash reserves to invest in the second price. And when the stock goes even lower, I will use the last 1/3 of my money to invest in this particular stock. This strategy has worked for me very well, especially during the 2015 correction of the market. Number 3 is to diversify your investments and asset classes. So now you probably own some stocks. You may probably want to consider diversifying your money to different asset classes, to different sectors of the market, to different countries through funds or through ETFs and even robo-advisors. So if you diversify it well, when the market really does crash, you'll find that even though your stocks are all going down, your bonds and your gold would be there to hedge against the decrease in your stocks. Number 4 is you may want to rebalance your portfolio. You may want to seek safe havens like treasuries, government bonds, and even gold, because these are the types of instruments or asset classes that will hedge against any decrease in the stock market. Lastly is dollar cost averaging. Now this is great for people who don't have the time, don't have the knowledge, don't have the expertise to go and time the market. When's the best time to go and sell your stocks, take profit, and when's the best time to buy your stocks at different points in time. Dollar cost averaging is basically buying units at a regular period of time with the regular amount. So when the market crashes, you realize that you can buy more units at different points in time. And when the market recovers, you will find that your buying price is much lesser than what the market price is. And you have so much more units you can sell the units for at that current market price. Now this is a strategy I used in 2015 when the market corrected. Today, I've accumulated thousands of units which I can sell it at a higher price. Now, if you want to be part of this community where individuals and couples can gather together and share their personal experiences on relationships and personal finances, you can click the link below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, you want to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!